golden mask coil connector. Many of you know that sometimes the contact between the search coil and the detector electronics are not very good, so this results in false signals when the detector is shaken, or if the coil hits something when you search. This results in signal generation inside the coil, and because the contact is not quite good, it makes false signals. So I will show you how to make better contact. You see, to make this you will need a needle like this one, or better bigger one is better. These are the contacts. They are gold plated, but even gold plated sometimes they make loose contact. As you can see, this hole is larger than the other ones, so here the contact may be not quite good. You have to straighten these metal parts, make it closer one to other, and this will make better contact with the other part of the plug, the male part. So what you do, you simply put the needle here, the outside of the metal part, put it in the hole, and you can see that the metal parts get closer each to other. So you push a little bit, then at the other side you make the same, and now you can see that things get normal. Now you should not have any problem with your coil. As simple as that. Something very important you should know: you should never use any contact liquid or other liquids for cleaning your contacts. They should be cleaned only mechanically. You could do this with a needle by turning inside a little bit. This is quite enough. If there is dirt inside, you have to. This one is new, of course. There is no dirt, there is no anything bad, but I got it only to show you how to make it